This 2024 Heartland Prowler 292 SRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mims, Florida 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.